Starting December 7th, a period begins that astrologers consider one of the most significant of the year. The retrograde motion of Mars is an event that may bring chaos to our daily lives, yet it offers invaluable opportunities for growth and self-discovery. This is not just the movement of a planet, but a powerful energetic wave that can impact your plans, emotions, and even your destiny. How can you avoid mistakes, sidestep potential pitfalls, and harness this challenging period for your benefit? In this video, we'll uncover the meaning of retrograde Mars, share tips on preparing for its influence, and show you how to turn this challenge into a launchpad for positive transformation. The stars are already speaking to you. Don't miss their message. What is Mars retrograde? Mars retrograde is a rare celestial event that occurs only once every 2 years and lasts about 2 months. Its impact is so significant that it resonates far beyond astrological forecasts. While it appears as though the planet is moving backward in the sky, this is merely an optical illusion caused by the orbits of Earth and Mars. However, on an energetic level, its influence runs much deeper. Mars governs our actions, motivation, determination, and passion. When it enters its retrograde phase, these areas often slow down or encounter obstacles. Delays in projects, sudden conflicts, and emotional outbursts are common during this period. At the same time, Mars retrograde offers a unique opportunity to reassess your actions, correct past mistakes, and discover more mindful ways to pursue your goals. On an energetic level, Mars retrograde is like the universe pressing pause on our usual rhythm, urging us to focus on inner processes. It's an invitation to stop and ask yourself, what's holding you back from moving forward? What unresolved issues or internal conflicts need your attention? Are you ready to face this challenge? Can you not only navigate the energetic turbulence, but also use it as a launching pad for profound transformation? Mars is preparing its test for you, and the choices you make in the coming weeks will determine the course of your journey. How does this event impact your life? Mars retrograde is a period when the usual flow of life may be disrupted, and everyday tasks can suddenly become more complicated. Representing action, determination, and forward momentum, Mars slows its influence during this phase, affecting various aspects of our activity. First, this period often brings delays in projects and plans. What once seemed straightforward and achievable may suddenly hit a roadblock. Meetings get canceled, important tasks are postponed, and progress feels slow and unpredictable. This time calls for patience and flexibility. Second, Mars retrograde can strain communication. Conflicts, misunderstandings, and bursts of frustration are common companions during this phase. Even the simplest conversations can lead to misinterpretations or hurt feelings. It's a time to practice active listening and avoid making hasty decisions. Finally, Mars retrograde often forces us to revisit old tasks and situations. Unfinished projects, forgotten responsibilities, and even people from the past may unexpectedly resurface. This is no coincidence. It's the universe giving you a chance to resolve what has long needed your attention. This period can feel like a true test of resilience and mindfulness. How you handle its challenges depends on your willingness to adapt. Are you ready to slow down, reevaluate your plans, and find new approaches to old problems? In the next section, we'll explore how to prepare for this phase, what steps to take to maintain balance, and how to transform these trials into new opportunities. You already have all the tools. We'll show you how to use them effectively. How to prepare for Mars retrograde. Mars retrograde is a time when it's crucial to manage your energy and approach situations mindfully. This phase can become your ally if you prepare properly. Here's how. Slow down and reevaluate your plans. Mars retrograde urges you to pause and reflect. Put off ambitious ventures that require significant effort or carry high risks. Instead, focus on completing ongoing projects. Reassess your current goals. Are they still aligned with your priorities? Some may have lost relevance, while others might need a fresh perspective. This approach will help you avoid unnecessary mistakes and lay the groundwork for future success. Avoid rash decisions and conflicts. During this phase, Mars's energy can heighten emotions and provoke disagreements. If tensions arise in relationships or at work, practice restraint. Take time to think things through instead of reacting impulsively. This is a period to listen, observe, and analyze rather than act on immediate urges. Remind yourself, I remain calm and choose mindfulness. Take care of your health. Mars retrograde may bring feelings of fatigue and emotional burnout. Pay extra attention to your physical and mental well-being. Incorporate restorative practices into your routine, such as meditation, nature walks, or light physical activity. Balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and relaxation will be your greatest allies during this time. Use this period for reflection. The energy of Mars retrograde encourages self-analysis. Revisit your past decisions and actions. Were any of them made in haste? What could you have done differently? This is a perfect opportunity to correct mistakes and refine your approaches. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? What lessons can I learn from the past? Prepare for transformation. Mars retrograde is not just a challenge, it's an opportunity for transformation. The universe is giving you a pause to reflect and grow. If you use this time consciously, you'll emerge from this period with renewed strength, ready for significant changes ahead. This phase is your chance to pause, breathe deeply, and channel your energy in the right direction. Instead of resisting the circumstances, see this time as an invitation for mindfulness and inner growth. Remember, every challenge can become a stepping stone for your development. It all depends on how you choose to harness this energy. Positive aspects of Mars retrograde. Despite its reputation for bringing challenges, Mars retrograde offers unique opportunities that can act as catalysts for meaningful change. When approached with mindfulness, this period becomes a time for growth, reevaluation, and strengthening your foundation. It's not merely a phase of slowing down, it's a space for profound reflection and reset. A time to complete unfinished business. Mars retrograde nudges you to address lingering tasks and obligations. Whether it's projects you've postponed or responsibilities you've avoided, this is the ideal time to tie up loose ends. By clearing up old tasks, you free your energy for fresh opportunities and feel a sense of relief. An opportunity to reassess goals and directions. With external activity slowing down, you have the chance to reflect on your true aspirations. Which goals genuinely inspire you, and which have been imposed by others or circumstances? Mars retrograde encourages you to reevaluate your priorities, eliminate what no longer serves you, and focus on what truly matters for your personal growth. It's a moment to consciously craft a new plan aligned with your dreams and core values. Understanding inner motivations and desires. Mars retrograde invites self-discovery, prompting you to ask, what drives me? Why do I pursue certain outcomes? This isn't a time for superficial answers. Instead, it encourages deep introspection. You may uncover new desires or realize that some motives are no longer relevant. This self-analysis fosters a more authentic and harmonious connection with yourself. A chance for emotional healing. The energy of Mars retrograde supports reevaluating past emotional wounds and grievances. It's the perfect time to release what no longer serves you and open your heart to new emotions and relationships. Forgiving yourself and others during this phase can be a powerful step toward inner peace and balance. Strengthening the foundation for the future. This period isn't just about learning from the past, it's also about preparing for the next chapter. The slowdown brought by Mars retrograde allows you to refine your strategies and solidify your foundations. Every mindful action taken during this time will have long-term benefits, empowering you to pursue your goals with greater clarity and confidence. Mars retrograde is an invitation from the universe to pause, look inward, and reassess your actions and desires. Use this period not only to navigate temporary challenges, but also to lay the groundwork for meaningful changes that lead to a more balanced and mindful life. The universe has already set new opportunities in motion for you. All you need to do is open the door. How to avoid the negative impact of Mars retrograde. Mars retrograde might seem like a challenging period, but with the right approach, its influence can be softened or even turned to your advantage. The key lies in mindfulness and the willingness to act calmly and thoughtfully. Here are some tips to help maintain inner balance and avoid unnecessary complications. Spend time in solitude. Create an atmosphere of peace and quiet around you. This could mean spending a moment in nature, enjoying a cozy evening at home with a book, or simply disconnecting from devices to tune in to your inner voice. Solitude helps you filter out unnecessary noise and stress, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Slow down and listen to yourself. Rather than trying to fight external circumstances, allow yourself to slow down. Find ways to connect with your inner self. This might involve taking time for reflection, having an honest conversation with yourself, or visualizing your thoughts and goals. Such moments of introspection can help you understand what's happening inside and provide clarity about your emotions. Focus on positive affirmations. Negative thoughts and emotions may feel amplified during this period, so it's crucial to redirect your focus toward what brings joy and inspiration. Remind yourself daily that you have the strength to handle any challenge. Use inspiring notes or uplifting visuals to boost your mood and reinforce positivity. Create space for self-discovery. Give yourself permission to express your thoughts and feelings, whether by journaling, jotting down reflections, or recording small observations. This isn't just about tracking emotions. It's an opportunity to gain perspective, understand your inner needs, and craft a thoughtful plan for moving forward. Remember, this period is not just a challenge, it's a chance to grow stronger and wiser. The universe is watching your steps, offering you the opportunity to prove your readiness for change. Let each action you take be filled with confidence and faith that every challenge leads to growth. You've got this. Mars retrograde is a rare opportunity to reevaluate your life and discover new paths to harmony. It's a time that urges you to slow down, reassess your goals, and tap into your inner resources to overcome challenges. While it brings its share of trials, delays, conflicts, and revisiting unresolved matters, it also holds the potential for profound transformation. This period encourages you to complete unfinished tasks, clarify your true desires, and lay the groundwork for a new chapter in your life. It's a reminder that all change begins with the willingness to look within and take the first step toward the new. Even the most challenging times can pave the way for growth and renewal. Use this period to become stronger, wiser, and closer to the best version of yourself. The universe is already guiding you. Trust its rhythm and embrace the journey. Everything starts here and now.